Hello, in this video, I'm going to share with you how we configure DKIM for Office 365 at SeedScaleUp to ensure our emails land in the main inbox. I'm the founder of SeedScaleUp, a growth agency that helps B2B companies and marketing agencies to book 8 to 12 plus qualified meetings after 14 days. Uh, we use this formula, scale-up activation system, equal to a Pinnacle offer times a volume plus an optimized landing page times an elevated digital footprint. A Pinnacle offer is an offer that will move you from a with highly competitive market to a blue ocean. A volume is the number of eyes that will be aware of your offer every day. We use cold emailing mainly. An optimized landing page is a landing page that will make your customers, your visitors book calls. Like when they come on your website, they directly book calls because everything is optimized and showcase that you are an authority, you have case study, and you know what you are doing and you can solve your problem. An elevated digital footprint is all the elements that makes your footprint, like your digital presence, like maybe your LinkedIn, your YouTube, your X, everything needs to optimize and you need to create content on your website, articles, and on posts. All that needs to be optimized for your company to scale in this highly competitive and sophisticated market. Previously, maybe with only one of these elements, you'll be able to do it, but now you need to have all of them configured. So one element of the volume in cold email is the deliverability. Deliverability is the capacity of of your emails to land in the main inbox instead of the landing page. And to ensure deliverability, there's one element that you need to do is set up the DNS, which are the DKIM, the SPF, and the DMARC. The DKIM is the second authentication method that helps with verifying your email sent from your Office 365. It depends, there are two methods. If you set up your mailboxes in Google, there's another method, but in this video, I'm going to share with you how to do it in Office 365. So together with the SPF and the DMARC, this prevents attackers from spoofing your emails. Since really recently, you need to have all those DNS to ensure that when you send an email, it will land in your destinator main inbox. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to do it really fastly in 5 minutes. The first thing that I did is that I went to MX Toolbox and then I found if there's a DKIM in my a DKIM setup for my domain. And you see, as you can see, of one of my domain, and you can see nothing is done. So the first thing that you need to do is to create the DKIM keys. You log into your Microsoft security at this link. Then this is signing into your Defender. You go there, you select your domain. As here, you select when you log in, you have the list of the domain that you have in your Microsoft or administration. But then you select the domain. Yeah, right there, there is create a DKIM. When you click on create a DKIM, you have a pop-up that will appear that will ask you to copy this element, the host name and point of the address. You need to copy the both. The DKIM and the is always the same syntax, so you can also use this one and just replace my domain name by your company domain. It also work. But now I want to show you how to do it. Then you need to create the DKIM records. The first thing that you need to do is to log in your DNS hosting provider. So where have you bought your domain name? On my side, it was on GoDaddy. So I went to GoDaddy and then I added all these elements. So as I said previously, you can see selector one, I added it here, and then the value I added this one, and then I did it for the two for both of them. Then I save it. You need to create, like, the step is simple. You add a new DNS, you select the type, a CNAME, and then you add the name and the value as provided by your authenticator by Microsoft Defender. Now, what are you supposed to do now? You need to enable your DKIM. Depending on your DNS hosting provider, we now need to wait a couple minutes or maybe a day. But on GoDaddy, it's a few seconds. Then you go back to your security admin center and enable it. So you go back, you select your domain as you did previously, and then you enable sign-in message or for this domain. Like as you see here, you just click on the toggle and then you enable it. Now it's done. This is really important if you want your emails to land in your primary inbox. I'll do other videos showcase you how to do for your DMARC, how to do it for your SPS, or how to ensure your all deliverability is will be set up for you to land in your primary inbox. Because at SeedScaleUp, we help you send up to 1,000 emails every day. But all those emails need to land in the primary inbox. That's why we try to do everything correctly for your company to scale. So if you need or you want to scale your B2B company or your marketing agencies and you don't know why and you are tired of all the provider, you can work with us. We have two guarantees. The first one is that we build all the system in 14 days. And if you don't do it, you give you have your you will be fully refunded your setup fees. And then the second guarantee is that after that we work on strictly performance based. It depends all the optimization and everything else will be done on our side, but you only pay for meetings book. So if it's something that you like or it sounds interesting for you, just book a call with me and I will like to see if we can fit together and work together. Hope to talk with you soon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.